Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In the previous two videos, we saw how we can use VPN and we can use proxies. In this video, we are going to learn the most important way in which you can protect your online privacy, in which you can hide your IP address, you can hide your online identity. This tool is called TOR, the onion router. Now, my dear friends, how many layers does an onion have? You will tell me that there are many layers, literally uncountable layers, right? And that is exactly what TOR does. TOR adds multiple layers of protection on your online activities. So what it does is it provides very high security and high privacy by hiding your IP address. So how does it work? Basically, just think of it like if you are going to your friend's house, and if you do not want to be traced, what do? You go through different winding paths. No, you take this location, you go to that location, you go via so many videos, and people get confused. They don't know exactly where you're going. This is exactly how it works over here. The TOR is also routing the traffic through a complex path of protocols and of different servers, making it very hard and making it very difficult for them to find out where you started from and where you are actually going. So what TOR does is TOR basically routes your internet traffic through several servers. These are all what we call as various TOR nodes before reaching the destination and hiding your starting point. Now, I know this might seem a little confusing. So to make it clear, we will understand how TOR works in detail. So when you are starting on your journey online, we have got something called the entry node. This is your machine, and through this machine, you are entering into the entry node of TOR. This is your starting point. Then comes the middle nodes. In the middle nodes, the data passes through random nodes. Nobody knows which node will be selected next. So you are going from your entry node into any one of these randomly selected nodes, and each one removes the previous layer of encryption and only knows the next node, nothing else. Just imagine it only knows one, that is the next node. So the previous person only knows where you're going next, and that is all. And then we have got the exit node. This is the last node of the intended website, and this only knows the destination. Now the exit node will only know your previous node and will not know where you started from. So this is how you are being protected. Nobody has an idea where you came from. Nobody has an idea where you are going from. The entry node only knows the next node. Each node knows only the next node, and the final node only knows the previous node. So it becomes extremely difficult and nearly impossible for anybody to trace where you started from. So this is done by using layered encryption, because each node removes only one layer of encryption, and so no single node knows both the origin and the destination. And the random routes are basically there in between. The middle nodes are using it, making it nearly impossible for you to be traced. This is how the TOR tool works. Now let us, in the next video, do a hands-on on how we will be using TOR. See you in the next video.